Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, February 8th, 2023.
Cool. Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. As you can see, today in Carrollton will be rainy with a high of 50 degrees and a low of 40 degrees.
Okay, Mr. Weatherman.
Very rainy.
I think we see that.
Today's lunch options are hot dog, grilled chicken nacho salad, or cheese pizza sticks.
Yum.
Wait for one.
Bet you didn't know. Some parrots dance when they hear music.
Today in history, in 1992, the Winter Olympics in Paris, or not in Paris, I don't know where in Paris, or I don't know where in France, but in France begin.
Wow, France. So cute I can't. A 3-month-old Western lowland gorilla named Bruno recently had his first steps caught on film. Bruno was born at Fort Worth Zoo in early hours of November 6th to Gracie and his father Elmo. He's the second gorilla to be born at the zoo after his older brother Gus was born in 2015. Are you seeing what we're seeing? Baby Bruno is standing with help from mom, a zoo spokesperson said. Zookeepers say the pair are continuing to bond, but are fully integrated into the troop.
Wow. We don't talk about Bruno.
Weird but true. About 75% of your brain is made of water.
Wait, whoa.
H2O.
How?
Excuse me?
That doesn't make any sense. Because how can I think?
Exactly.
Wait, no.
It's 75, not 100.
Oh, okay. Well, now here's Hallie and Maggie for the joke of the day.
Hey, Hallie, what do you call an angry carrot?
I don't know what.
A steamed veggie.
Yeah. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Carter.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum.
See you next time.